The Triometric Analyzer captures every request sent from a customer and the corresponding responses. We extract key attributes from the XML so they can be used for BI reporting purposes. We also record key operational information for each transaction, including server and network response times, the size of the request and response, TCP and HTTP status codes, and client and server IP addresses. The Triometric Reporter can use all of this data to produce aggregated reports and also drill down to an individual transaction level. The dashboard showing on the screen now is called Key Ratios. It shows some examples of the business intelligence reporting that is available with the Triometric Analyzer. I will talk you through the reports and features of this dashboard. The charts on the top row show information on searches and bookings. The top left chart shows the number of looks and books by minute. The data shows a run rate of approximately 2,000 requests per minute over this 1 hour period. The top middle chart displays the look-to-book ratio by agent. That is the number of searches divided by the number of bookings. You can see that customer Thomas Cook 18 has a look-to-book ratio of around 7,500 to 1. The report is ordered to show the agents which are placing orders, but focuses on those who perform a lot of searches for every order they place. The chart on the top right shows the number of bookings these agents have made, ordered in the same way as the previous report. The middle left chart shows the number of bookings and cancellations per 5-minute period. The bottom middle chart shows the bookings to cancellation ratio by agent, which is the number of bookings divided by the number of cancellations. If an agent has not made any new bookings, but they have cancelled some, the ratio value will be set to 0. The bottom right-hand report shows the actual number of bookings and cancellations that have been made for these particular agents that have the worst book to cancel ratio. The last report on this dashboard gives the number of searches performed by agents that haven't made any bookings. Agents that make many searches without bookings will be costing you money, but it is also important to ascertain why you are not getting any bookings. By having a list of these agents, you can perform further analysis to find out why. For instance, is it price, availability, no rates available, or maybe due to some sort of error? Going back to the count of bookings and cancellations by agent report, I can demonstrate a simple investigation directly from the dashboard. Holidays for You 39 has the worst bookings to cancellation ratio, and I'm going to open the report in Analyze mode for more information. This mode allows me to choose any of the measurements and dimensions we have stored in our database for analysis purposes. This mode also allows report export to popular formats including Excel, CSV, PDF, print and email, and we can also see the underlying data for the chart. You can see here the data row which pertains to Holidays for You 39. Using the Drill Across Row feature, I can further investigate the requests made by this agent. I'm going to select multiple dimensions with which to drill down into, including agent name, check-in date, duration, hotel name, number of adults, children and infants, and the start timestamp, and then click Submit. Surprisingly, all 3 cancellations have identical values, the same hotel for the same period. This particular scenario could be caused by an agent that is guilty of hogging rooms and making bulk cancellations just in time to avoid paying a cancellation charge. It would be worthwhile keeping an eye on cancellations from this agent. The final part of the investigation is to examine the raw XML. By drilling on client content, I can view the raw XML and confirm that the XML is formed correctly, which I can see from these three examples that it is. Also, by looking at the reference number ABC 123, 124 and 125, I am able to confirm these are actually three separate cancellations and not the same cancellation sent 3 times from the agent. I can then guarantee that the agent has actually made 3 successful cancellations. Thank you for watching this brief demonstration on the Triometric Analyzer Business Intelligence Reporting.